Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your wallets in Trust Wallet. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that I have already installed the application and added my wallet. Now what I'm gonna do is simply delete it. At the top left, you will see the setting button right here. Click on it right now. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, as you can see, there are multiple options. But right now, what you have to do is simply focus on this thing called as wallets at the very top. Click on it right now. Once you do, as you can see, this right here is my wallet and I want to delete it. Well, it's quite easy. Right here next to the wallet, you will see these three dots. Click on it right now. Now this thing will open up. Do you know that you can simply rename your wallet from right here? But right now, we want to delete it. At the top right here is a trash can icon like this. Click on it right now and simply hit on delete. Once you do that, your wallet will be deleted from Trust Wallet. That is it, guys. That's how you delete a wallet from Trust Wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.